Hello everybody, how are you? We are so much grateful that God has given us opportunity to donate 100 people in Durame area, especially for the destitute people who are in great need for their daily living, as part of a celebration of Ethiopian crucifixion and Easter day. That we had wonderful time, and these people have really greatly overjoyed. And as that ceremony from our government officials came and made a speech and encouraged what is going on Dr. Desta Langana Foundation, especially in addressing the needy people for those who are really lacking their daily needs. So we are really hoping to help even more than 1,000 people each time, and also to do a consistent support for those who are in need. So we are so much grateful for that, and we are looking forward to do much and more, not only in this part of the country, but all over the country, even in far future, to do the same thing outside our nation. Thank you. God bless you.